The black screen is a very common problem with Windows 11. Sometimes you are working and your screen goes completely black. Or you go to login screen and after login, your screen goes black with or without cursor. Sometimes you might see a cursor on the black screen and sometimes it is completely black. Or you might get a complete black screen after turning your PC on. So in this video you will see different ways to fix different type of black screen with your Windows 11. So let's get started. So the first thing first, if you are getting a black screen out of nowhere, like you are working and your screen got frozen and then you got a black screen, then in this case you can try to press Ctrl Shift Windows plus B keys together to reset the graphics driver, and your screen might go black again and then you would be able to see your screen properly. Now the second case is that you get a black screen after logging into your Windows 11. You just put your password and you get a black screen with or without a cursor. And in the third case, you do not get any login screen. You just turn on your PC and then see BIOS and everything, and then your screen goes completely black. So in these cases, we have to start our PC in advanced recovery mode. Now if you are getting a black screen after logging into your Windows 11, then restart your PC and come back to the login screen and do not log in. Now you have to press and hold the shift key on your keyboard and then go to power option and restart. Keep holding the shift key and restart. Now it will boot your PC in the advanced recovery mode and you will see a screen something like this. Now in the third case where we don't have any login screen, like it goes completely black after you turn on your PC, then how can we start our PC in advanced recovery mode? So in this case we can do the hard reboot, like you turn on your PC and while it is turning on, press and hold the power key to shut it down. Like we want to mimic the power failure. If you have a laptop, turn it on and while it is turning on, press and hold the power key. Do it for the 3 times and after 3 times, it will open in the advanced recovery mode. And if you have a tower PC, then turn on your PC while it is turning on, plug out the power cord. Do it for 3 times and then it will start in the advanced recovery mode. So anyhow, we have to get into the advanced recovery mode, whether you are getting black screen after login or getting a complete black screen. Now once you are inside the advanced recovery mode, click on troubleshoot option and then advanced options. First, you need to try the startup repair. The startup repair might work in some cases, but it doesn't work in the all cases. So you can try it anyway. And if you get a screen something like this, the startup repair couldn't repair your PC, then go to advanced option again and then troubleshoot and advanced options and then uninstall updates. Uninstall latest quality updates and then uninstall latest feature updates. So first you have to uninstall the latest quality updates, and this uninstallation might take some time, around 5 to 10 minutes depending on the update size. And once it is done, you need to turn off your PC. Turn it off completely and then start it again. Now you might be able to log in into your Windows 11 and your screen will work properly without any problem. If not, come back to the advanced option again and then this time uninstall the feature updates. And it may take some time, and after uninstalling the feature update you have to do the same process again. Turn off your PC and start it again and check if your screen is working properly or not. If not, follow the next method. Now come back to the advanced recovery options again like you did before. Go to troubleshoot options, advanced options, and this time click on startup settings. Now click to restart so that we can open our PC in safe mode. Now you have to press number 5 on your keyboard so that we can open our PC in safe mode with networking. Now it might ask for PIN or password, so log in and then you will get into safe mode with networking. Now you can connect to the internet and then press Windows plus R key together on your keyboard and type there devmgmt.msc and press OK so that we can open device manager. Now you have to expand the display adapters. Now here you will find your display driver or the graphics driver. Right click on it and then hit update driver. Click on search automatically for driver, and if the best driver is already installed, right click on it again and uninstall the driver. If you have more than one display adapter, you have to uninstall them all. Do not worry, once you restart your PC, it will automatically install all these drivers. So after removing the display driver, you have to restart your PC. And after restarting the PC, you might be able to log in into your Windows 11 and get your screen working properly. By any chance, if you are still getting the black screen, then you can try to remove the graphics driver completely. So you have to start your PC in advanced recovery mode again and come back to the safe mode. Go to the menu and then settings, apps option, installed apps, and here you will find your graphics driver. It might be Nvidia, AMD or Intel HD graphics driver. So find and uninstall the graphics driver. Just go to the more option and uninstall. And then you have to restart your PC and check if your screen is working properly or not. In case if you are still getting black screen, then come back to the safe mode with networking. Open any browser and try to download the latest available driver for your graphics card. So you have to download and install the latest available graphics card driver in the safe mode with networking, and then you will be able to get your screen working properly again. By any chance, if these things are not working, then you can try the last method, which I call power flush. Basically, you have to turn your PC completely off. Turn everything off, disconnect everything, and then press and hold the power key for 30 seconds so that you can remove all the static power from your PC. And then connect everything back like your display cable, HDMI cable, and then connect the power cable and start your PC. And if you are using a laptop, then shut it down, then press and hold the power key for 30 seconds and then start your laptop again. And the power flush should fix the black screen related problem with your Windows 11. By any chance, if your screen is completely black, you don't even see the boot screen, then in this case you need to troubleshoot the hardware. You have to check all the connections like your HDMI cable or display cable and check the back of your tower PC. If you have more than one display port, try them all. You might have some display port on your graphics card or on your motherboard, so you have to try them all. So these were some ways to fix black screen related problems with your Windows 11. And that's all for this video guys, hope this helped. If so, hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next one.